Namaste दोस्तों. So in last video I talked about payment voucher in Tally. In this video I will be talking about journal voucher. So I am copying the path as usual where my Tally data is saved. Then I am pasting by pressing Ctrl Alt V. See, this is my company which I created. Now I have to record journal voucher. So journal voucher is a type of voucher where cash and bank is not involved. Okay, so when there is an inter-account adjustment or when there is a depreciation entry, for all these we record the entries under journal voucher. In this one account affected, none of the account affected is cash or bank, then in that case we will use journal voucher. So let's see by way of an example. Voucher. Shortcut for journal voucher is F7. You can press F7 directly, or with the help of cursor you can select journal voucher. On top left you can see the type as journal voucher. Okay, suppose I have to record depreciation entry. So you tell me, or you just guess in your mind what will be the entry for depreciation. So depreciation is like expense, non-cash expense to the company, and it's a type of nominal account. So the rule for nominal is debit all expenses. We will debit the depreciation account, and then asset we will credit, because value is depreciating. So the entry will be depreciation account debit to machinery account. I'll create one ledger by pressing Alt C. Depreciation. Indirect expense. Rest as I'll keep as it is, and Control A. Then depreciation account is created, and our date I have taken as it is, as 1st Jan 2023. Let's suppose the value we calculated is 500, and then we have to choose the cost center, like which asset, which machinery, that machinery belongs to which department. I have to select. So IT to I have to create one account, machinery account. So I created machinery account under fixed asset, and entry for depreciation would be depreciation account debit to machinery account. I told you the logic. Depreciation it's a nominal account, so we debit all expenses and losses in that case, and machinery, the value is depreciating, so we will credit. In this case, like machinery is a real account, so you can assume that as the value is depreciating, it means you can assume that machinery is being sold, or it's going out, so we are crediting. This was one entry. And discount allowed also, in that case also cash and bank account is not involved in case of discount allowed, so we will see entry for that as well. Now you tell me, discount allowed will be in what case, like in case of payment or in case of receipt. When we are receiving payment, in that case discount allowed, we will allow discount to the debtor, and in case of creditor we receive the discount, so that would be an indirect income for us in case of creditor. But here if we are allowing discount, then that is a loss for us. So I'll debit that. First I'll create one ledger named discount allowed. Indirect expense. See, this is an expense for us. Why? Because we had to receive more from the debtor, but now we are receiving less. So suppose the value is 200 and the name of cost center is contract staffing. You can refer my previous tally videos for knowing about cost center in detail. And the debtor here is, let me see if I have created any debtor or not. So I am selecting ABC. I can check by pressing Control Enter. So you can see here it's a sundry debtor. So I was correct. Now we will receive 200 less from ABC company. Why we are debiting discount allowed? Because it's a nominal account and we debit all losses and expenses. This is a loss for us, so discount allowed. And ABC company we are crediting, so I'll accept. Now I came to gateway of tally, came out. I'll check the loss account. This is profit and loss account and this is balance sheet. Thank you friends. Hope you understood the concept of journal voucher and purchase voucher. Let me check if I have already created a video, or if it's not there, then in next video I'll be talking about purchase and sales voucher. Then we will come to stock journal, that is important. And these were simple vouchers which everybody and like every accountant uses. Even a trainee knows that sales, payment, purchase, voucher, about these vouchers. Thank you.